Coming up, Geek Fuel asks us to take a trip through time. Hello, it's Rob from PPFXC here with Geek Fuel's first box of the year. This time around, Geek Fuel has built their box around the theme time travel, where they will be exploring the idea of time travel through pop culture's past and present. If you're new to Geek Fuel is a monthly mystery subscription box geared towards geeks and gamers that's filled with geeky, nerdy apparel, toys, and collectibles. I'll leave more information about this new subscription service in the description below. And as always, I'll be including a quick breakdown at the end of this video for those curious about the costs and value of what we're about to discover in this month's box. Well, I read a rumor that there will be a Doctor Who item inside, so let's open up this month's Geek Fuel time travel themed box. Hey everyone, in the comments below, how many of these time machines can you identify? Well, here it is, the Doctor Who item that was rumored to be in the box. I've seen a few of these monitor mates over the past few years. This bobblehead Dalek is more than welcome to try to conquer my growing Doctor Who collection. I actually enjoyed the short time I've spent so far kicking the tires with this fun voodoo-themed indie game. This is actually the full version 1 of Over the Top's Mojo Rampage game. I'll sure be kicking the ritual chickens shortly again for sure. Now, if you're going to send me a coaster, this is a desk coaster. Funny thing is, like stickers, I'm not really a huge fan of pins. However, stick a magnet in one and I'm all over that. Hey, this is pretty neat. I actually got one of the rare red ones. One of the unique things about Geek Fuel is they not only offer tiered subscription plans that allow you to save money, but they throw in a bonus item as well if you sign up for the larger plans. Since I signed up for the 6-month plan, they included this bonus item in the box. I'm not familiar with this indie game, but I can say after a bit of play that there's a lot more involved to the strategy of this game than the initial simplistic side-scrolling graphics imply. Well, I hope you found this month's review useful, and as promised, here's a breakdown of what we found in this month's Geek Fuel box. The prices displayed are estimates based on what we were able to find online the day of this review. As always, a quick shout out and thanks to everyone that has subscribed, commented, or given us a thumbs up for any of our reviews. I really enjoy the interaction and look forward to reading what you thought about this month's box in the comments below. Check out the end slate annotations for our other videos and reviews. Until next time, happy collecting everyone from PPFXC.